everyone, Amanda here from Scrimpingmommy.co.uk, and I'm here to share with you the products that are going to be in my February Stampin' Selections kit. The kit is based around this suite, which is called How Sweet It Is, and you'll find it in the Spring Summer catalogue on pages 14 and 15. So there's a wide selection of products from here, all of the consumables plus some extra things. You can upgrade your kit and add the stamp set if you like, or the stamp set and the thinlets, totally up to you. But the kit is absolutely full of products, and I'm also going to be providing a PDF downloadable sheet which is emailed to you directly with some ideas on and some inspiration. Now I'm going to show you the kit, but before I do, I just want to explain the benefit of these kits. These kits, you're getting a small amount of everything, so you don't have to go out and buy the whole entire suite. You might not want a full packet of paper or a full roll of ribbon, and so this gives you a budget-friendly way of getting a little bit of everything without having to buy the whole lot. It saves your money, it saves your space in your craft room, and it's a good way of getting your hands on things, so you can have a good look, and maybe you might buy more of it. If you're a demonstrator, you can buy these kits. This is an awesome way to get something of everything in the suite for your demonstrations and for your samples, for your own personal crafting, again without having to buy the entire suite. So it's budget friendly and it's space saving as well because you know all of this takes up a lot of space. If it's all compact for you and sorted into one little kit, it's a lot less room in your craft room. And it means you can save money on and buy other things. So, as I say, it's based on the Sweetest Thing, which is an awesome fun suite. We've got the 12 by 12 DSP here. So you're going to get a half pack of this. I'm going to send it in the 12 by 12 format. I'm not going to cut it up, and it's awesome fun. So I'm not going to cut that up. So you will get a full sheet. So if you want to fussy cut those, you can. As I say, you can get the thinlets and the dies, the thinlets and the stamps if you want. They're all double-sided. They're awesome, lovely, fun, bright colours. I love this one, especially with the little gummy bears. You know, and the reverse sides are patterned, so you've got full coordination. So you're getting a full half pack of the 12 by 12 paper. Along with that, I'm going to give you some of the matching cardstock. If I can just quickly open this one. I should have opened it before I started, but you know, I'm never completely organised. And so you've got the beautiful colours here which reflect the colours in the DSP, so you know that your crafty projects are going to match, you know, and you're getting some of the cardstock without having to buy full packs. So you're going to get some of that. You're going to get some of the glitter enamel dots because the colours in there go amazing. I've got some of these for you to try. These are the narrow cello bags. These will make great sweet treats, and with the suite being based around sweets, I thought we could make some cute treat bags. I'm also going to add some Whisper White cardstock for your card bases, you know, and your layering to go with the coloured. I always try and put some white cardstock in, and again it's saving you money because I'm adding white card into your kit. You don't have to go out and buy the full packs if you don't want to. You know, it might be something you don't use an awful lot of, I don't know, but it's there, and I'm going to show you what to do with it on the PDF. We're also going to get some of these, which are the sweet pins and tags. I love these. Let's just open one and have a look. So you're going to get what I call a sample pack. So it's not a full pack, it's a share of a pack. So that you're just getting a few little, a small amount of each thing. So you've got these pre-cut tags here already done for you. All you've got to do is stamp on them. Look at those. Those are lovely. They've got like a glossy outline on them. They all have. They've got like a glossy border. They're lovely. Lots and lots. So you're going to get a share of those, and along with those come these little, what I call garment pins, and they are pretty coloured ones to again match. And so you'd attach these to your little gift tag and attach them to your sweet treat or your gift boxes or whatever. So you're going to get a sample of those. Okay, let me just put them away so they don't get lost. And then I'm going to put some ribbon in. And I've chosen 3 different kinds, so you've got a good selection, and you're going to get a length of each. So this one is the Granny Apple Green and Coastal Cabana, that looks like it's 2-tone. And then this is a Gorgeous Grape one, which is in the sweet. And then I've also picked this, is it Pineapple Punch? Yeah, Pineapple Punch, because there's some yellow in the sweet as well. So I thought 3 lots of lovely ribbon for tying your gift tags on and doing your sweet treats, or wrapping around your cards for embellishments. You've got plenty to play with there. I'm also adding a small piece of window sheet, so that we can make use it in one of the projects that I'm going to be sharing with you. I don't want to give too much detail away because I like it to be a surprise. And I'm also going to give you some of the silver foil sheet, again for layering up on your cards and things like that. I just think it's really, really lovely to have. Now I have got these as well. Goodness knows how I'm going to post them to you, but I'll find a way. And I got some of these because I think to order a full packet of those, you know, might be too much for some people. They might not want all of those. And so you're going to get some of these, a couple, I think it's 2 of these for you to try. And then you don't have to have the full pack. So again, it's saving you money and it's saving you space, and you're not going to be wasting, because you'll easily use 2. And then if you like them, you can go and buy some more. And these are little treat, they're like ice cream tubs, and you can decorate them with the DSP and the ribbons and things, and put sweet treats in. So you're going to get some of those to try as well. So it's a lovely, lovely kit. I will say that it is still £21, UK only. I'm afraid I'm not sending international, because the Royal Mail can maybe lose things international, and I'm not keen on it. So it is UK only. You do need to let me know as soon as possible if you would like one of these kits, and the cut-off, the very final date for ordering and for payment is the 14th of February, no later. Yeah, as soon as you let me know, I can send you a PayPal invoice, so you can pay me by PayPal, or you can pay by bank transfer, and if you message me, I can sort those details out for you. And that my email is amandacharlesworth@08. I've forgotten my own email now. amandacharlesworth08@gmail.com. You can find me on Facebook. I'm not difficult to get a hold of. You can leave a message under this video, and I can get back to you. So there you go. It is all packaged lovely and nicely and presented prettily, the best that I can. And I do use the stamp set and the DSP to decorate the packaging. You also do get one of my customer loyalty reward vouchers within there. And if you buy 6 kits in a row, you get an additional 20 customer loyalty points, and those are spent on select items, and all of the information for that is over on my blog at scrimpingmommy.co.uk. So yeah, this is a lovely, lovely kit. I can't wait to get creating some projects to go on the PDF to share with you. So if you are interested in one of those, please do let me know. Another great thing about it is that some of these items may not carry over, and so it's nice to only have a small amount of them. You know, if you're a demonstrator, for example, you don't want to be having things that might not carry over. Maybe you just want a small amount. So this is a really good way to get them. So I'll leave that with you, and if you would like one, just let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.